Okay, what we're going to be doing today is finishing graphing quadratics. So we've already graphed quadratics in a couple different ways. So if it was ever in this form known as vertex form, remember all we did was we looked at the inside outside numbers and we moved up, down, left, right, drew my dot, and then sketched my graph. If it looked like this in standard form, what we did was we had to find the axis of symmetry, find the vertex, and then whether it opened up or down, and the y-intercept, and then we sketched it like that. The last way we're going to see it is called factored form, where quadratics are written like this, where there's parentheses, two parentheses, and if you were to multiply all this out, it would end up looking like this. But we can go ahead and graph pretty easily from this form right here. So the first thing I want us to do is whenever we see these parentheses, what I want us to do is whatever's in the parentheses, I want us to set equal to 0. So x plus 2 equals 0, x minus 3 equals 0. Okay? And then all I'm going to do is get this x by itself. So what's next to the x? The plus 2. So I need to get rid of that. I'm going to go minus 2, minus 2. So x equals negative 2. There's a minus 3 here next to this x. So I'm going to go plus 3, plus 3. This is x equals 3. The other thing I need to figure out is whether my a is going to be positive or negative. Okay? Because that's going to tell me whether it opens up or down. Well, looking here, the way I'm going to figure this out is this. If I multiply this x and this x, a positive x and a positive x, that's going to be a positive x squared. I take that positive x squared and I multiply it by negative 1/3. That's going to give me a negative number. So in this case, my a is going to be negative. And remember, if a is negative, it's going to open down, right? It's going to open down. So I'm going to use this information right here, and I'm going to sketch my graph. So I know x equals negative 2 and x equals 3. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to graph those points. I know x equals negative 2, x equals 3, and this opens down. So x equals negative 2, I'm going to go to the left 2, draw my dot. I know my x equals 3, so I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, draw my dot here. And now I know it opens down, so it's going to open something like this. And I have to go through these 2 points. So all I'm going to do here is take this and just sketch it like this. I'm not worried about any other points. All I want you guys to do is be able to tell me these 2 points and then give me the sketch whether it opens up or down. And that's what we got for today. Let's go.